Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Anuja and I'm back with a new video. So in this video, we are gonna see my birthday glow up routine, which I did. My birthday was on 10th and I did this from 6th onwards, and I linked my birthday vlog right here so you can check that out as well. But before getting into the video, I just wanted to mention that this video is inspired by Michelle Phan's video, which she uploaded around 6-7 years ago. And since the day I watched that video, I have been following it like in my own way. She had basically made a schedule like कौन से दिन पे क्या करना है before your event, so that everything is in line and you get best results and you look very pretty on your like big event day. So that is how I have like taken this inspiration from for this video. And also one more disclaimer, this video might be long, so get ready. This video is gonna be full with information and very detailed video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so my birthday was on Friday and I started doing this on Monday. I had made a schedule. Monday ko I did hair care and body care. Tuesday was my skincare routine day, and Wednesday I did hair removal, and Thursday I again did a hair care sort of a thing. So on Monday I did a hair mask, which was onion hair mask with oil. Since we all know onions are very stinky, that is why I decided to do this on Monday. Monday was anyway my hair wash day, so I did it, and I added a little bit of virgin coconut oil, so that जो onion का एकदम strong smell है वो थोड़ा सा minimize हो जाए. And for that I took about half an onion and I grated it very nicely. And उसका सारा जो pulp है उसको ऐसे पूरा strainer में रख के mash कर दिया. And whatever juice that came into the bowl, that is what I used. I added a little bit of coconut oil, as I said, and mixed it up nicely. And उसके बाद I just like parted my hair and took a cotton ball, dipped it in the mask and just started applying it. I mostly focused on the areas where I could see that the hair is getting sparse, like a little bit here, and mostly on this part where I thought कि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा attention देना चाहिए. And for the ends of my hair, मैंने normal coconut oil apply किया है. You can go with any other oil of your choice. And along with my hair mask, I also did a body scrub. Before hair removal, it is very important that we exfoliate our skin, and that is why I made this DIY scrub at home. It is basically normal white sugar. उसको थोड़ा सा पीस लिया मैंने in the mixer to make it little more grainy. फिर I took about 2 tablespoons of that, and उसमें मैंने सिर्फ 1 tablespoon coconut oil add कर दिया है. I just wanted the whole thing to be very thick and not oily, if you know what I mean. अगर ज़्यादा oil हो जाता है ना तो it doesn't like, I don't enjoy using that as an exfoliator. So I usually prefer to keep the ratio of sugar more than the oil. I prefer exfoliating in the shower. So जब conditioner like जब shampoo लगाने के बाद conditioner लगा के रखते हैं and we have to wait for like those 3-4 minutes, तब मैं usually exfoliate कर देती हूँ. So time भी बच जाता है उसमें. It's really important to exfoliate our body before hair removal because अपने skin पे ना बहुत सारी dead skin हो जाती है. उस वजह से it becomes really difficult to remove hair, या फिर वो ठीक से निकल पाते हैं, और उसकी वजह से ingrown hair हो जाते हैं. So it is obviously not advised to remove your hair as soon as you exfoliate it, because already बहुत सारा abrasion हो रहा है उस पे and बहुत सारा stress मिल रहा है skin को due to the exfoliating. So एक दिन का gap and उसके बाद I did the hair removal thing. Alright, so the second day was my skincare routine day, and I usually prefer to do this at night because when we are sleeping, हमारी skin already replenish हो रही है, repair हो रही है, and अगर उसके ऊपर हम अच्छे ingredients डाल दें अपने skin पे, we take care of our skin properly, तो और भी ज़्यादा benefits होते हैं, ऐसे मुझे लगता है. So that is why I prefer doing this at night. So उस दिन मैंने makeup करा हुआ था. I think I was shooting a video, and that is why first thing I did was take off my makeup. I used the Garnier Micellar water for that. थोड़ा सा cotton पे लेकर पूरे skin पे उसे लगाया. So after taking off my makeup, I obviously wash my face, and while applying face wash, I usually try to massage my face, and after 1-2 minutes I wash it off and I pat dry my face. So after washing comes cleansing, and I am using the same cleanser that comes with the face wash. It is an anti-pimple cleanser again, which is good because since we are like prepping ourselves for an event, we don't want to have any pimples, और अगर कोई पिंपल है तो वो भी treat हो जाते हैं. So I take a little bit and start applying it on my face. It has little micro particles, so थोड़ा scrub भी हो जाता है as you are going with it. And this is how my face looks after cleansing. So after cleansing comes toning, and I am using my favorite rose water for that. I'm just gonna spritz it over my face and neck and let it sit on my face for about a minute, and then I'm gonna take cotton and उसे dab करने वाली हूँ अपने skin पे, so that all the rose water gets seeped in my skin. So after that it's time for mask, and I have made this DIY mask from rice flour. In about a spoon of rice flour, I added a little bit of rose water and honey, and added drinking water to adjust the consistency. All of the ingredients in this mask are super amazing for your skin. Rice flour, even honey, rose water, it's just good. You can also add some aloe vera gel also if you want. I have added honey because my skin is dry and I want that extra hydration. Okay, so after 15-20 minutes ये dry होने लगता है, and that is when you want to wash it out. ज़्यादा time नहीं रखना है, just like 15-20 minutes. And then while washing off, मैं usually क्या करती हूँ, उसे थोड़ा गीला करके धीरे धीरे से scrub करके निकालती हूँ उसे, very lightly, not too aggressively, because we had just scrubbed our face थोड़े time पहले. तो उसे हल्के हाथ से scrub करते करते निकालना है. It makes the process easier also. And if you don't have a product for scrub, you can definitely use this as a scrub as well. And after that, I'm gonna use this aloe vera gel on my face. It just helps my skin to soothe down and calm down a little bit after all of that scrubbing and washing. And इसका alternative is ice cube. Sometimes if not aloe vera gel, मैं ice cubes भी ऐसे लगा लेती हूँ, एक क्लॉथ में लेके उसे बस ऐसे 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 लगा देना है फेस पे. So after that I'm gonna moisturize my face, and I'm gonna be using my favorite rose gold oil for that. I think this is the only expensive thing in my skincare routine. Everything else is pretty affordable and pretty accessible as well. And last but not the least, I'm gonna moisturize my lips with a lip balm. So when I was doing this skincare routine, thankfully I did not have any active pimples on my face. But अगर होते तो I would have applied this Kailash Jeevan. This has been in the family for too long, and this is like the solution for everything. If you get burnt, अगर कुछ कट जाता है, कुछ लग जाता है, तो we use this, and it works great on pimples as well. I've been using this for quite a long time. Moving on, my Wednesday, yeah, okay. So moving on Wednesday was my hair removal day, and now I'm a huge advocate of waxing over shaving for some reason. वो बहुत टाइम से अपने दिमाग में होता है ना कि इसे मम्मी ने भरा होता है कि नहीं वैक्सिंग बेटर है, शेविंग से ये होता है वो होता है, all of that. I know कि most of them are myths and all of that, but I still prefer waxing over shaving. But in these times I had to give in and shave because it is impossible to wax yourself. In my opinion, I have tried doing that. Like, you obviously won't be able to do it as fast and as neatly as you can get it done professionally. Okay, so basically I shaved my legs. I didn't do anything to my hands because I didn't want to shave it, and I waxed my underarms and plucked my eyebrows. Yes. And I didn't shoot myself shaving because it's not something I'm comfortable with at this moment, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did. I prefer shaving in the shower, and obviously after being in the shower for like 5-10 minutes, our skin becomes soft, and that is what we want. So I apply some conditioner on my legs and then start shaving slowly. I know a lot of people do it with just soap, but since my skin is super dry, I didn't want to use just soap. So after coming out of the shower, I applied some moisturizer just as an extra protective layer. So coming to eyebrows, I don't know how to thread eyebrows at home unfortunately, so I had to tweeze them. So I had read somewhere कि अगर tweeze करने से पहले उसमें थोड़ा सा ice लगा दे, थोड़ा नम हो जाता है वो area and like tweezing becomes easier. Basically you're pulling out your hair, तो थोड़ा सा दर्द कम होता है. So to avoid over plucking, मैंने बस थोड़े से एक्स्ट्रा हेयर ही निकाले, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया मैंने उस पर, लाइक शेप वेप देना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. उस झंझट में नहीं पड़ी मैं, बस जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा था वो मैंने निकाल लिया.
For my upper lips, I decided to wax it. I applied some talc powder and then applied this homemade wax that I made. And I also DIY'd this strip. And then normally जैसे खींचते हैं the strip against the hair growth, वैसे ही किया मैंने. We might need to do it once or twice because एक ही go में सारे hair नहीं निकल पाते हैं. So I had to go in again with the wax and remove the stray hair. And then I applied some water to remove any wax that is left on my upper lips. And then applied some aloe vera gel.
So coming to underarms, I waxed them again. I prefer waxing them over shaving. And I made a homemade wax for it with white sugar, lemon and water. It's a quite simple process. I'll link the video that I saw in the description box below. You can check it out.
So basically I followed the same steps, applied talc powder, then wax, covered everything as much as I could, and then waxed it against the growth of my hair. One tip to remove underarm hair is to wax it in all the 4 directions so that all the hair is removed. And ये strips मैंने बनाए हैं from scrap denim fabric, and the best part is that we can reuse them. बस पानी में soak करना है for some time and the wax will dissolve since it is basically made of sugar.
Moving on to the final day of our glow up routine. It was a hair care day again, and I am just thanking the Lord because my hair washing days were lined up so well. I'm not even kidding. So usually I wash my hair twice in a week, and before any event I wash my hair a day prior so that the next day our hair is set properly.
So for the hair mask, I have taken a whole egg and cracked it in a bowl, and I'm just going to mix it really well. And in that I'm going to add 2.5 spoons of dahi, and I'm going to mix it really well. And in that I'm going to add a little virgin cold pressed coconut oil and mix this whole thing really well so everything is combined together. The way I apply this hair mask is that I make small sections of hair and then I apply it to the lens and scalp, and then just keep applying it as you go everywhere. The mask is a little liquidy, so it does get difficult to apply it, but make sure that you're wearing an old t-shirt and also cover the surface if possible. So अगर थोड़ा spill हो जाता है तो you can just clean it up really quickly. The mixture of egg and curd is known to strengthen weak hair and also prevent hair fall.
So I apply the mask all over my hair, my scalp and the ends, and बस इसे पूरा hair पे लगा के बांध के रख देना है. I usually keep it for about an hour, not more than that. Mostly an hour and a half max. Then I wash it off normally with my shampoo and conditioner, and my hair becomes super soft. And that's it. That was my whole glow up routine, and this is what I usually do for all of the events. Like कोई शादी में जाना है, कोई पार्टी है, कोई फंक्शन है, I usually do this only. यही या फिर इसका ही कुछ और वेरिएशन, कुछ हेयर मास्क का भी अलग कर दिया, फेस मास्क का भी अलग कर दिया, but it's more or less the same. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part and also share this video with your friend जिसका बर्थडे आ रहा हो या फिर उसे कोई शादी में जाना हो. I mean थोड़ा possibility कम है शादी में जाने का, but you never know. So do share with your friends as well, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.